Knowing when students have submitted assignments is very easy. On the home page, teachers see a blue dot on the assignments icon of the class that has new submissions to be reviewed. Select this icon to be taken to a specific class's gradebook. The menu at the top of the screen reads Platform and Classes, Options, and Export. This video addresses grading, so we'll stay on Platform and Classes. The gradebook is also available from the left side navigation bar on the left side of the screen. Hover over the panel and under the Teach category, select Gradebook. From the Select a Class menu, find and select the class to view submitted assignments. Below the drop-down menu is the Gradebook legend. Use this to learn the meaning of the different gradebook colors and icons. Student grade and assignment information is displayed in the area below. Each row shows from left to right the student's average, the student's letter grade, and the student's name. Each column shows the title of the assignment, a pencil icon for editing, the due date, the total number of possible points, the numerical average for the class on that assignment, and the average letter grade for that assignment. Hover over the assignment name to see the full assignment title. At the intersection of each row and column, there is a box for each individual student's submission. That box will have a color or icon based on the legend at the top left corner of the gradebook. Red represents a score of 0 to 50, yellow 50 to 80, and green 80 to 100. An outlined red box indicates late, and add a diagonal to that box and it will indicate past your allotted submission date. Blue is a submitted assignment awaiting your review. Gray is assigned. A solid red with an X indicates a reassigned assignment. An ungraded assignment will appear in your gradebook as a purple icon. No grade is associated with the assignment, however. You still can listen to the assignment and offer comments to your students, as well as receive comments from them. To see the details of a student's assignment submission, select its colored box. A new browser window opens with the submission details. This includes the colored note assessment, the student's recording, and rubric details. From the drop-down menu in the top left, you can navigate to see other student submissions of the same assignment. Below the title of the assignment, you can select See Instructions to remind you of what you assigned your students. When you are done reviewing your instructions, click the orange Hide Instructions button. If the student included comments with the submission, they appear below the music. To grade an assignment, click on the Grade button. The grading panel opens and displays the grading criteria you established for this particular assignment. If you used the assessment grade as one of your criteria, there is a numerical value in the box. This value reflects the percentage of correct notes and rhythms. When reviewing a submission, it is possible to override the assessment grade if necessary. If you have created a rubric for your students, next to the specific criteria, select Grade and choose the level of achievement you determined your student has achieved. If you have comments for the student, type them in the box. This feature allows you to augment and/or qualify your grading as well as give specific feedback to the student. You can also address any concerns that the student may have expressed with their own comments. When you are done, select Save. Teachers also have the option of reassigning work when it does not meet standards or teacher expectations. From a graded submission, select Reassign. Enter reassignment comments, if needed, and select Validate Reassignment. The original take is kept and remains available for review in the Details section of the submission. On the gradebook grid, reassigned work displays as a red square with an X through it until resubmitted. Once all grading has been completed, the blue dot disappears from the home page.